Contracts are the backbone of business and personal agreements, but not all contracts are created equal. Some are illegal and unenforceable, potentially leaving you in a precarious legal situation. Understanding what makes a contract illegal is crucial for protecting your interests and avoiding legal pitfalls. A contract becomes illegal when it involves unlawful activities, violates public policy, or lacks essential legal elements. For a contract to be valid and enforceable, it must include several key components. These are an offer, acceptance, consideration, and the legal capacity of both parties to enter into the agreement. Let's break down these elements. An offer is made by one party and accepted by the other, typically in writing. Both parties must be of legal age, agree to the terms freely, and have the mental capacity to understand and meet the contract's obligations. Consideration refers to something of value exchanged between the parties, which could be money, goods, services, or even a promise to do something. Public policy plays a significant role in determining a contract's legality. Even if an agreement meets basic contractual elements, courts may declare it illegal if it conflicts with public interests. For example, non-compete agreements that unreasonably restrict trade or contracts that encourage criminal activity are often deemed illegal. What happens when a contract is illegal? The consequences can be severe. Illegal contracts are generally void, meaning they cannot be enforced in court. If one party breaches the agreement, the other cannot seek legal remedies or recover damages. In some cases, entering into an illegal contract may even result in penalties or criminal charges. There are several types of illegal and invalid contracts. These include contracts involving a lack of capacity, such as agreements with minors or individuals with mental disabilities. Contracts for illegal purposes, like drug trafficking or unlicensed professional services, are also invalid. Mistaken interpretation of major contract elements or misrepresentation and fraud can also render a contract unenforceable. Courts carefully analyze several factors when determining a contract's legality. They consider the intent of the parties, the nature of any legal violations, and whether illegal terms can be separated from the rest of the contract. They also assess whether enforcing the contract would result in unjust enrichment for one party. It's important to note that even if you unknowingly enter into an illegal contract, you may still face consequences. While courts might provide some relief if you were misled, the safest approach is to ensure the legality of any contract before signing. Given the complexities surrounding contract legality, it's always wise to consult with a legal professional when drafting or entering into significant agreements. An experienced attorney can review the contract, ensure it complies with all applicable laws, and protect your interests. In conclusion, understanding what makes a contract illegal and unenforceable is essential for anyone engaging in business or personal agreements. By being aware of the key elements of valid contracts and potential pitfalls, you can better protect yourself and ensure your agreements stand up to legal scrutiny.